The most important part about making coffee with this Keurig is to make sure that this silver bar is closed and down before you pour in the water to the container. When you pour the water in, you can see it come up and fill these little discs on the left-hand side. Then you know you've got enough water in there. After that, you can open the silver bar and wait till you hear the water finish glugging down. Then put your K-cup in, and you may have to turn it on to get the light to blink here. Now it's ready to go. Press the blue light and it'll blink red, and then in a minute it'll make the coffee. Okay, the coffee's about to come out. That's all there is to it.